Hello guys! So today we're going to learn JavaScript statements. Okay, so let's start by knowing what is JavaScript Programs. A computer program is a list of instructions to be executed by a computer. In a programming language, these programming instructions are considered or called statements. A JavaScript program is a list of programming statements. So in HTML, JavaScript programs are executed by the web browser. Okay, so what is JavaScript statements? So JavaScript statements are composed of values, operators, expressions, keywords, and comments. So we have here yung sample natin of a statement. Okay, so these statements tell the browser to write hello JavaScript inside an HTML element with an ID of demo. Now, most JavaScript programs contain many JavaScript statements. So the statements are executed one by one in the same order as they are written. Okay, so JavaScript programs and JavaScript statements are often called JavaScript code. Okay? Okay, so semicolons. So semicolons separate JavaScript statements. Add a semicolon at the end of each executable statement. So we have here yung example natin. So the first line of code declares the three variables. Second line, assign the value of 5 to A. Then the third line of code, assign the value of 6 to B. Then the fourth line, then assign the sum of A and B to C. So these four lines of codes are called statements. To end the code, para ma-separate natin yung mga code nila, we ended up with a semicolon. So lahat ng mga statement na gagawin natin, guys, if tapos na tayo sa specific statement, we need to set or to place a semicolon. So gaya dito, we declare this one, and since this is the last part of our statement for our declaration, we need to set semicolon. Kasi there are situations that it might cause some error. Okay? Although, may sinasabi na on the web, you might see examples without semicolon. Ending statement with semicolon is not required, but highly recommended. Okay? So, if ever there's a case, guys, na kung saan nag-error kayo, try to check lang. Baka it requires you to set semicolon. Okay? Okay, so JavaScript White Space. JavaScript ignores multiple spaces. You can add white space to your script to make it more readable. So we have here yung sample code natin wherein we try to declare first name equals to Raymond, then last name equals to Dilo. Okay, so it is a good practice is to put spaces around operators, kagaya ng sa equal, sa plus, sa minus, sa times, or multiplication, and sa division. Okay, so meron tayong sample code dito na kung saan kinuha ko dito. So makikita kasi natin dito sa equal sign, sa may operator part, na dikit na siya sa variable name at saka sa value. So instead of doing this one, mas mainam na ito yung gawin natin. We put spaces around the operators. Okay, so mas readable siyang tingnan. Okay, guys? So JavaScript line length and line breaks. For the best readability, programmers often like to avoid code lines longer than 80 characters. If a JavaScript statement does not fit on one line, the best place to break it is after an operator. So we have here yung sample. Since our statement is long enough with the, sabihin natin itong container, and the value has a long statement of text, then ibababa natin siya in a new line after sa operator, which is the equal sign dito. Okay? So, ganun yung gagawin natin para at least mas magiging mainam siyang tingnan. Okay, guys? Okay, next is yung JavaScript Code Blocks. So, JavaScript statements can be grouped together in a code block or code block inside curly brackets. The purpose of code blocks is to define statements to be executed together. One place you will find statement grouped together in blocks is in JavaScript functions. So, kagaya nito. So, this is a function in JavaScript and mayroon tayong curly braces dito. And here the statement. Now, once this function will be invoked or called, these particular statements will be executed. Okay? So, yun ang sinasabi nating code block. It groups a certain codes. Okay, so JavaScript Keywords. So, JavaScript statements often start with a keyword to identify the JavaScript action to be performed. So, ito yung mga sample ng ating JavaScript keywords. So, we have yung break, continue, debugger, do while, for, functions, if else, return, switch, try catch, and var. Okay, so JavaScript keywords are reserved words. So, reserved words cannot be used as names for variable. Okay? So, just remember na guys, baka gumawa kayo ng variable soon and it might cause some error although tama yung syntax nyo. So, maybe you are already using yung mga keyword natin. So, there are certain cases talaga na bawal nyong gamitin yung mga keywords kasi this is already reserved words for the JavaScript. Okay? Okay, so I think that's it guys. So I hope it gives you a clear idea kung ano ba yung sinasabing JavaScript statements. Okay? So just like I always say guys, just keep practicing and never stop learning. Okay, let's call today guys. Thank you for watching and goodbye for now.